हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मैं हूं प्रोफेसर नीलेश आनंदवानी और आज आप सभी लोगों के सामने एक नया वीडियो लेके आया हूं। आज मैं बेसिकली आपको एक टेस्ट कंडक्ट करवाऊंगा और वो टेस्ट होगी यूनिट नंबर 1 डाइवर्सिटी इन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म से, और चैप्टर होगा फर्स्ट द लिविंग वर्ल्ड। और इस चैप्टर में 3 टेस्ट, हम तीनों टेस्ट देखेंगे, लेकिन आज इस वाले वीडियो में हम सिर्फ टेस्ट 1 देखेंगे। इस टेस्ट में 20 MCQ होंगे द लिविंग वर्ल्ड सेट 1 पेपर में। तो मैं आपको सभी क्वेश्चन समझाऊंगा डिटेल में। लेट्स स्टार्ट। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ नेगेटिव फीडबैक लूप इन ह्यूमन। तो ह्यूमन बीइंग के अंदर नेगेटिव फीडबैक का कौन सा एग्जाम्पल है, इसमें पूछा गया है। कॉन्स्ट्रिक्शन ऑफ अ स्किन ब्लड वेसल एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ स्केलेटल मसल व्हेन इट इज़ कोल्ड। तो कोल्ड में हमारे स्किन कॉन्स्ट्रिक्शन हो जाती है, ब्लड कॉन्स्ट्रिक्शन हो जाते हैं और स्केलेटल मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन हो जाते हैं। तो ये वाला तो सही लग रहा है, फिर भी हम आगे पढ़ते हैं बिकॉज वी शुड नॉट टेक अ डिसीजन विदाउट रीडिंग ऑल 4 स्टेटमेंट्स। सिक्रेशन ऑफ टीयर्स आफ्टर फॉलिंग सैंड पार्टिकल इनटू आई। This is actually example of you can say reflex action. Salivation of mouth of sight of delicious food. This is also you can say example of reflex action. Secretion of sweat glands and constriction of skin blood vessels when it is hot. No, I think so. Answer is A. So A is correct answer. Moving towards question number 2. Reason of diversity in living being is. So actually diversity is nothing but the changes among the living organisms. So main reason of diversity among living organism is long term evolutionary change. Next question, which one of the following is categorized under living fossil? So Cycas, which belongs to the gymnosperm. Pinus also belongs to gymnosperm, but Cycas is the correct answer for living fossil. According to the Oparin, which one of the following was not present in the primitive atmosphere of the Earth? So in the primitive atmosphere of the Earth, oxygen will be the correct answer according to Oparin. Which one of the following scientists' name is correctly matched with the theory put forth by him? So Weismann theory of continuity of germplasm is the correct answer, but Pasteur inheritance according to character, no. De Vries natural selection, no. Mendel theory of pangenesis. So A will be correct answer. Question number 6. Carbohydrate, the most abundant biomolecule on earth, are produced by. So carbohydrate is mostly produced by the photosynthesis process. So all bacteria, fungi and algae will be wrong answer, because fungi can't be there and obviously all bacteria can't be there. सभी बैक्टीरिया फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं कर सकते हैं, सिर्फ सियानोबैक्टीरिया कर सकता है. Fungi, algae and green plants. In this, algae and green plant can do, but fungi can't do. Some bacteria like a cyanobacteria and algae and green plant will be correct answer. Virus and fungi and bacteria obviously wrong, so C is correct answer. Question number 7. Praying mantis. Praying mantis is a good example. Actually, praying mantis is a one type of insect which is fully green in color, and this type of insect basically merge their skin color when it set on the leaf of a plant. So when it set on the leaf of plant, green color of leaf and skin color of this praying mantis basically merge with each other, and this praying mantis get escape and survive themselves from the predator, and this kind of changing their coloration is called camouflage. So camouflage is showing by praying mantis. What is true for photolithotropes? Photolithotropes are actually those organisms who prepared their energy, who obtain their energy from inorganic compounds. So obtain energy from radiation and hydrogen from organic compound. Organic compound will be not be answer. Obtain energy from radiation and hydrogen from inorganic compound. This is correct answer. Obtain energy from organic compound, obtain energy from inorganic compound, but no. B will be correct answer. Question number 9. Organism which obtain energy by the oxidation of reduced inorganic compound are. Means they are asking that organism which prepare their food material. Actually it means, क्वेश्चन का मतलब ऐसा होता है कि ऑर्गेनिज्म जो अपना खुद का फूड बनाते हैं, इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड से, उनको हम क्या कहेंगे? सो ऑर्गेनिक्स वो ऑर्गेनिज्म विच प्रिपेयर देयर फूड मटेरियल, दे आर कॉल्ड ऑटोट्रॉफ्स ऑब्वियसली, बट हेयर दे आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट फोटोसिंथेटिक, दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट organism who prepared their food from inorganic material. So we will call chemoautotrophs. So chemo means chemical and autotrophs means autotrophic organism who prepared their energy from chemical reaction. So B will be correct answer. Question number 10. More than 70% of world fresh water is contained. This is very easy. Polar ice is the area where 70% of fresh water is available. मोस्ट अबंडेंट ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड ऑन अर्थ, ये भी काफ़ी ईजी है बिकॉज मैक्सिमम ऑन द अर्थ आर नंबर ऑफ अ प्लांट. सो प्लांट आर हैविंग सेल्यूलोज. सो सेल्यूलोज इज द करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट लिविंग फॉसिल? दे आर आस्किंग अबाउट नॉट लिविंग फॉसिल. king crab, snapdragon and peripatus, they are not. Archaeopteryx is the correct answer because Archaeopteryx is not nowadays not living. बैरोफिलिक प्रोकैरियोट्स, बैरोफिलिक ऑर्गेनिज्म वो होते हैं जो सी में एकदम डीप लेवल पे होते हैं और वहाँ से अपना फूड बनाते हैं जनरली. सो ग्रो स्लोली in highly alkaline frozen lake at high altitude? No. Occur in water containing high concentration of barium hydroxide? Obviously no. Grow and multiply in very deep marine sediment. So ये C हो सकता है आंसर. Readily grow and divide in sea water enriched in any soluble salt of barium? नहीं, ये तो C होगा. Yes. Question number 14. First life on earth. So actually if you see the chapter evolution, there is properly given first life on earth was one chemoautotroph. Actually one halophile was there. Halophile means the bacteria which found in the salty water, sea water, they are called halophiles, and they were able to prepare their food material. They were not able to prepare their food material, so they were chemoheterotrophs, means वो food अपना नहीं बना सकते थे और उनमें से ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है cyanobacterial. So world second organism is a cyanobacteria, but first one was chemoheterotrophs. Example was halophytes. Question number 15 की तरफ हम बढ़ते हैं. Biological organization starts with. So biological organization start with a submicroscopic molecular level because we have a cellular organelle also like a mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, ribosome, lysosome, etc. Question number 16. There is no life on moon due to absence of. So actually on the moon what is absent? Water. But this question is the oldest. ठीक है, अब ओल्डेस्ट कह लो, न्यू कह लो, बिकॉज नाउ डेज वी नो दैट देर इज़ अ वाटर ऑन द मून. ये हमें पता चल गया है. यस, इसरो ने ये फाइंड आउट किया हुआ था. लेकिन एक प्रॉब्लम ऐसी है कि वहाँ पे वाटर की क्वांटिटी कितनी, ये काफ़ी सोचने वाली बात है. क्या ह्यूमन बींग वहाँ पे ह्यूमन बींग को जितना वाटर लगता है इतनी क्वांटिटी में वाटर है वहाँ पे? तो ये काफ़ी ऑब्जेक्शनल चीज़ें हैं. बट देर इज़ नो वाटर ऑन द मून, देयर फॉर देर इज़ एब्सेंस ऑफ लाइफ. ये हम कह सकते हैं, देर इज़ नो लाइफ ऑन मून ड्यू टू एब्सेंस ऑफ वाटर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. Age of a fossil in the past was generally determined by radiocarbon method and other method involving radioactive element found in the rock. More precise method which were used recently and led to the revision of evolutionary period for the different group of organism include. मतलब क्वेश्चन सिंपली तरीके से ये पूछा गया है कि कोई भी फॉसिल की एज को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए पहले रेडियो कार्बन मेथड या तो उससे रिलेटेड मेथड यूज़ की जाती थी, लेकिन आज रिसेंटली कौन सी मेथड यूज़ की जाती है? सो स्टडी ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट प्रोटीन इन फॉसिल, नहीं, कार्बोहाइड्रेट प्रोटीन तो ये शायद रहेंगे भी नहीं फॉसिल के अंदर. स्टडी ऑफ कंडीशन ऑफ फॉसिलाइजेशन, कंडीशन देख के हम एज नहीं अंदर से लगा सकते. सो इलेक्ट्रॉन स्पिन रेजोनेंस, ESR, electron spin resonance and fossil DNA will be correct answer. Question number 18. Which of the following is relatively most accurate method for dating of fossil? तो ये तो पिछले वाले क्वेश्चन से ही रिलेटेड है. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन स्पिन रेजोनेंस मेथड. The living organism can be unexceptionally distinguished from the non-living things on the basis of their ability. Actually, responsiveness of touch. It can also shows by some non-living material. Interaction with the environment and progressive evolution. This can also show by non-living matter. Growth and movement. Growth can also shown by the stone also, mountain also. But reproduction will not show by mountain or any non-living material. So reproduction will be correct answer. Last question 20 number. Animal have the innate ability to escape from predation. Example for the same are given below. Select the incorrect example. Color change in chameleon, enlargement of body size of swallowing air in pufferfish, poison fangs in snake and melanism on moth. फिर से एक बार क्वेश्चन पढ़िए. Animal have innate ability to escape from predation. Example of these are given below. Select the incorrect example. तो poison fangs of snake, color change in chameleon. Color change in chameleon तो आएगा. Melanism in moths. Melanism. I think so. C will be correct answer. Yes. Poison fangs in snake is correct answer. So this is guys. So result is we have 20 out of 20 total number of question we answered. 20 out of 20 we have given correct answer and none of them we have given wrong answer. Time taken by it was 10 minutes and 45 seconds. The reason is that I was explaining you, therefore I took a much time. Otherwise I would not took that much time. अगर मैं आपको explain नहीं करता तो शायद 5 मिनट में ये 20 क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे देता. But however, thank you so much for watching this video and please अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में शेयर कीजिए क्योंकि नीट के लिए काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक था ये. Have a good day.